middle of the road. It's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown. I was doing fine.
안녕하세요. 닥터하우스TV입니다. 오늘은 경기도 남양주시 오나무배 전원주택 매매 소식을 전달해 드리려고 합니다. 주택을 둘러싼 멋진 천연 자연 풍경과 함께 약 740평대의 토지 위에 건축된 오늘의 닥터하우스 소개주택은 그 주택의 설계와 주변에 조성된 멋진 조경들로 인하여 월간 환경과 조경이라는 주택 전문 매거진에 소개되었던 주택입니다. 경기도 남양주시 오나움에서 소개해드리는 오늘의 닥터하우스 추천주택. 그럼 시작합니다. 비밀의 정원 입구로 향하는 계단을 통하면 소유자분께서 직접 조경을 한 멋진 주택 정원을 확인하실 수가 있습니다. Still minding my own business, never knew that life had just begun. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face, never will I be the same again. See your face again, oh let me see your face again. I'm far from being satisfied yet. I have to see your face again, oh let me see your face again, and take me to the place we first met. You came into my life like a sweet embrace. 주택 뒷마당에 멋진 목조식 정자와 아래쪽 조용히 흐르는 계곡의 부지까지 오늘 소개해드리는 전원주택 매매에 포함되는 부분입니다.
California, the sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining right.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder by you. 'Cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever.
오늘 닥터하우스에서 소개해드린 남양주시 온나무배 전원주택 매매 소식 어떻게 보셨나요? 해당 주택이 마음에 드셨다면 닥터하우스 채널의 구독 그리고 좋아요 부탁드리고요. 궁금하신 내용이나 해당 주택의 실사 확인 예약 역시 언제든 닥터하우스로 연락주세요.